What? You want the secret to orange chicken? Here it is. This easy chicken a la orange recipe is a simple baked dinner that's full of flavor and perfect for busy nights. Serve it over rice for a family-friendly meal that feels like takeout at home. Hello friends, thanks again for joining us in the kitchen tonight. I am Wendy, your kitchen chaos coordinator. Tonight we're going to make something very simple. It's something you can start in the morning if you'd like to and marinate while you're at work and just pull it together, throw it in the oven when you get home and fix your rice to go with it. Or you can do it quickly and just have it marinate only 30 minutes. But the secret is still the same. There is a very secret ingredient that goes in right before you bake. I'm super excited to share this with you. It's called chicken a la orange. It's a very easy make. So let's get it started. Bring your chair, bring your spoon. So glad you're here. Don't bring your notes app because right down below, boop, boop, boop. That's where all the good stuff is kept. All right, description has all of the ingredients and the updates. Ta-da! All right, let's get started. Let me gather the ingredients and be right back. All right, here we go. I'm going to read this off real quick because we're going to do it together, but just in case so you can kind of have an idea what we got going on. You need some orange juice concentrate. This is the preferred, right? Not just orange juice out of the fridge, but if you have one of these old frozen guys laying around, this is what this is used for. Eventually, you're going to need some orange marmalade. You need some brown sugar, some soy sauce, a couple of cloves of garlic, some Dijon mustard, and some extra virgin olive oil or just some olive oil, whatever, and then 4 chicken breasts. So first things first, we want to build our marinade. So we need a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, if I get this open. One, 2. You're going to need a whole cup of this orange juice. So I'm just going to throw it in here real quick. And it's okay that it's not been deconcentrated. You want it just nice and thick and frozen halfway. All those acids and things in there are going to break that down and add the lovely flavor. So in you go. Orange juice, that was a cup. Because you also need a tablespoon of, let me just double check, yep, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We're going to eyeball this. Perfect. Then you're going to need a tablespoon of some oil. We're using olive oil here, but you can use some regular oil if that's what you have. You need soy sauce, I believe a 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. You can use the less sodium version if you'd like. In that goes. And then you need 2 cloves of garlic that you've minced. So whether you already have that in a jar and you're mincing it up or whether you're going to do it right here with me, let's get our garlic going. There's 1. And 2. All right. Now, that's it for in here. This is going to sit and marinade. Again, overnight's great. During the day, great. If you've got 30 minutes is just fine. But this needs to go back in the fridge. So in the fridge we go, and I'll meet you on the other side. Okay, now we've come to the part of the day where we are ready to bake our chicken and make our sauce. So I want to take our chicken out of the marinade and lay it here on the dish. We should have 4 nice breasts here. Probably should have got a towel, huh? Oh, it smells so good. I say that a lot, but it does smell really good. One more guy in there. Let's get him out of there. There we go. And our 4 breasts, and then I'm going to take this marinade and I'm going to put it here in our pan. Get all that goodness out of there because we're going to make a really nice sauce with this. All right, 2 shakes. Let me go take care of my hands here. Okay, here is the secret. Here is the part that no one tells you, that Wendy, Internet Ma, is telling you. Don't skip this part. This is the part that makes your orange chicken stand out from everyone else's. You're going to take 1 tablespoon of orange marmalade and spread it on top of each chicken breast before we put it in the oven. You want to talk about upping your flavor profile and having people go, wait a minute, this is not something they're looking for. That sweetness, that tanginess, there's actual zest in here. They're not ready for that. And that's what makes you star of the show. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, this is going in the oven, preheat 375 for 35 to 45 minutes. So let's get this going. Check my time. And then in the meantime, we want to make a lovely sauce to go with this. And so we are going to turn our heat on to medium. We've got 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm just mixing this up. If you don't mix it up well enough, you're going to end up with flubber. You could walk across water on this. Got our handy dandy whisk. And I'm just going to whisk all of this in here right now. And then you're just going to let this go over medium heat until it thickens up. 10 minutes? 15 minutes? If you were watching our frog eye salad, the slurry that we made there took 10 minutes for it to come up and get thick, but we also used flour with that one. This one we're using cornstarch, so let's see what the difference is. All right, so we're just going to stir every once in a while, leave this on medium heat, let this come together, and once it starts bubbling and getting thick, then you can just turn the heat off and let it sit until we're ready to serve it over the rice. So give us a minute and we'll be right back. It's been maybe about 10 minutes and it is definitely thickening up. I'm just going to turn the heat down now on it and just let it sit. We've probably got another 30 minutes left until the chicken is done. So in that meantime, that can just continue to thicken up. It's looking good and it's smelling delicious. This whole kitchen is... Woo! I'm hungry. It's time to eat. It is ready to come out of the oven. Our a la orange part has thickened up nicely. It is ready to be poured on top of the rice and over the chicken. And we are ready to plate up. So let's grab this out of the oven. Let me show you how beautiful it is. Another recipe with my face right next to the steam. It is gorgeous. It smells so good. It's browned up on top. And that secret, you know, the orange marmalade is just right there, nice and brown. All right. So we have our rice on the side. Let's get our chicken. And we'll serve this up and meet you at the table. How delicious. Thank you so much for joining us tonight in the kitchen as we made chicken a la orange. I'm so excited to have you with us. In fact, today we made a couple of nostalgic recipes as well. I love putting that old hat on and walking down memory lane. So good. But don't forget, the secret is in the sauce. Got some secrets going on in the kitchen this week. All right, this a la orange just smells delicious. I cannot wait to chuck in. It is time. It is time. Yes, it is, Smoochie. Yes, it is. All right, thank you for every thumbs up. Thank you for every like, share, and subscribe. We are so close. About 25 people away from 400. What the heck? I know we passed that many people just on the way to the grocery store. Anyway, have a good one. Stay tuned for a Zen moment, and we'll catch you next time in the kitchen. Have a good week, my friends. Bye.